So what we got here is a Range Rover Autobiography P400E 2020, and what we've done on this vehicle is we've installed the StarLine S9 Pro with dual immobilization. So first thing is you'll need the tag to be able to drive the vehicle as well as enter the PIN code. So if a thief copies or clones your key, the moment they open the door, the tag is disabled at the moment, so what's going to happen is the alarm's going to go off. The system will call you to let you know someone's got in the vehicle and they're trying to steal the car. And if you try and start the vehicle, you see the vehicle will not allow it to start. Okay, so I'm going to disable the system with the tag. Now the system has been disabled, so there will not be any alarm now. But as you can see, if I still try to start the vehicle, it will turn on and say ready. But the moment I go to try to drive the car, as you can see, I can't drive it. The gear stick locks. And as you can see, it says off now, so without the code you can't drive the vehicle. So as well as having the StarLine tag with you, you need to also enter the PIN code, which we got set up as a demo button at the moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the 2 indicator flashes. Now when you turn on the vehicle, it will also say ready, and when I put into gear, I'll be able to drive the vehicle. It does not go off, and the gear stick still moves. So the system also comes with a full smartphone app as well, with tracking included. As you can see, you can control the system, control the alarm, turn the system off, disable the vehicle, and also put it into service mode as well. So if you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a shout on the number below on 028 554 5554, or come visit our Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG2 6QA. Also you see the website link down below for the product. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.